Hello guys, this is new project we come through today. We want to remove this stone, build a garden edge versa wall, 2 courses, and paving in this part, another wall that way, and change the paving to the new one, going there, and build another retaining wall to stop the soil from this part. We remove the old retaining wall. Order materials, mulch and the garden mix soil is for front garden. The bin is full now. All material rubbish went there. This is the crushed granite and paving sand. What we did, we clean all the edges working there. This is for the retaining wall, we clean. Paving area there. Remove the blocks, pavers, and make a line for the garden edge. This is that. So today we coming to paving. What we do, we laying the road base first, make it level, then we compact it and make it the base for the paving. This is the road base. So after compacting, we set the line and the level, and we started to install pavers. Add mortar.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
The garden edge blocks, a split face versa wall, 2 courses, and closer to the corner. First we clean the line, set up the line and clean the base, then we laying on the mortar. The first course should be level on the mortar, and then the second course it will be like on top of it.
Swagger down the street.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing